7. Everything you need to know the Honda ADV 350cc, Toyota 5, Toyota 6. New 5-inch TFT Color Display replaces the previous LCD screen, offering a more modern look and improved clarity. Honda RoadSync Connectivity. The new display includes Bluetooth smartphone connectivity for managing calls, music, and navigation where available via a 4-way toggle switch on the handlebar. Adjustable rear suspension. The twin rear shocks with remote reservoirs are now preload adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune the suspension for different loads or road conditions. Engine updates for emissions. The 330cc engine has been refined to meet Euro 5+ emission standards through changes to the muffler internals, a revised catalytic converter, an added O sensor, and updated ECU settings. Auto-canceling indicators. The turn signals now automatically switch off after a turn or lane change. Underseat storage light. The large 48-liter underseat compartment now includes an LED light for better visibility. New color options. New paint choices have been introduced in various markets.
More informations,